In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 4275E printer with the Windows laptop. First, we have to switch on the printer. Once you switch on the printer, we have to enter it into the setup mode. Go to the printer control panel. To enter the printer into the setup mode, press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button together for 3 seconds. Once you see the power light is flashing and then the wireless light will start to flash, that means it's ready for the setup process. Download the HP Smart app from the Microsoft Store. Open this app. In the app, we have to add the printer. So click on the Add New Printer. From the list, select your HP DeskJet 4200 series setup. Click Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network from this list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click Continue. Press the flashing information button. Continue the setup process. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click Continue. Scroll down. This is regarding the printer private policy. So if you want, you can accept all or you can decline the optional data, or you can decline the optional data. It will ask you to enter the printer pin. Printer pin is always here, so you have to open the ink chamber. Behind that door you will see the pin number is written. Enter that pin number. Once you enter the pin, click on the submit. If you want, you can join for the HP Plus. To activate it, you have to click here continue, or if you don't want to use it, click on the do not activate HP Plus. I'm just going to decline right now. Scroll down, continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in, or if you don't want to use it, then you can just click on the skip account activation. You can also enable the ink delivery, or you can click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. Scroll down, select auto updates for the. You can also send link to other devices, or you can skip it. Setup is complete. Skip printing page. You will see your printer with the estimated level of ink. Just wait for the printer to show up in the app, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.